Oh my God. Brent, oh my God.
So this must be where Tony Stark left his car because, ladies and gentlemen, we found an abandoned Audi R8. Many people's dream car sitting and rotting away for over 5 years.
We were just about to back the trailer up and load the R8 up when Bill, the owner, caught us in the act. We wanted to get kind of the background on the story of how such a great car like this ends up in a condition like this.
We've got other toys and COVID and life and everything else kind of came up, and it sort of got stuck here. It's sitting on an air ride suspension. It was actually one of the first air ride did for the R8. This was,
oh, wow.
They used this to set the system up.
Oh, cool.
So it's not installed entirely correctly. It's kind of scabbed in a little bit. What ended up happening is, we'll see in a little while here, mouse have eaten the airlines. It's laying frame on the ground, and it just kind of ended up sitting there. I think we've tried to bring a rollback out here a couple times to get it.
I guess it's time to see if the top works, so we can pull the seats out and clean the interior. If this top does work, that the second that we lift it up, underneath is gonna be
it's gonna be
super dirty, yeah. Oh. Okay. All right.
It's working.
Hey, not too bad actually.
Yeah.
Psych. It's the only thing that's gone right today.
Holy crap! That looks awesome. I don't think it was this nice when we first got it.
That's always the goal, is to try and make it look better than before it ended up in that condition. So I love hearing that.